If you sneeze during surgery, nothing happens in the hands of an experienced surgeon with the right technology. We had an earthquake here, and we're sitting around during surgery. He's like, "Is that an earthquake?" I'm like, "Yep." And he was wide awake, nothing happened. So don't worry, if you move, we got you. You know, I've done 30,000 cases, I'm very experienced, and I can manage pretty much any scenario. I've had people, you know, sneeze, cough, have seizures during surgery, earthquake, you name it.